In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for beginners. We'll start by getting into your account. Log into HubSpot, and if you have access to more than one workspace, make sure you're in the right one. Take a moment to look across the main navigation so you know where everything lives. You'll see the core areas we'll use today: CRM, marketing, content, and automation. Begin in the CRM section to upload your contacts. Open contacts, then choose to import. You can bring in a simple spreadsheet or paste rows, and HubSpot will guide you through mapping your columns to contact properties like first name, last name, and email. Double check that email is matched correctly, since it helps prevent duplicates. Before finishing, review the preview screen so the data looks clean and properly aligned. Once the import completes, open a contact record to confirm everything came through as expected. You'll see a timeline of activity and properties on the left, which helps you keep information consistent and easy to find. Next, move to the marketing section to create campaigns and emails. A campaign is a container that keeps related assets organized, so give it a clear name and basic details to track later. Then create an email. Pick a template that suits your message, add your content, and write a concise subject line and preview text. Use the editor to adjust images and formatting so it's readable and on brand. Always preview your email on desktop and mobile, and send yourself a test to make sure links and personalization look right. Save your work and keep it as a draft until you're confident it's ready. Head over to the content section to create websites and pages. Choose a theme or template, then use the drag and drop editor to place text, images, and sections where you need them. Keep your copy clear and scannable, and make sure your headings guide visitors through the page. Use the preview to check how it looks on different screen sizes. When you're satisfied, save your changes and publish or keep it in draft if you're still refining. Now explore the automation section. Workflows can handle repetitive tasks for you. For example, when a contact is added, a workflow can send a welcome email or update a property. Start with a simple trigger, add your actions, review the flow from start to finish, and test carefully before turning it on. Finally, feel free to explore. Click around each section, use the search bar to find tools quickly, and hover over icons for helpful tips. The more you familiarize yourself with the layout, the faster you'll work and the more value you'll get from HubSpot.